have the coolest cup ever. I know, Kevin. I'm so cool. Okay, anyway, shut up, R2. Okay, I just opened that bad boy mouse, the Naga Epic, blah blah blah, and that I'm poor because I wasted all my money on. And this keyboard, the Razer Black Widow Unlimited, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing and then just, you know, nonsense. Oh my gosh, what is, I gotta eat this, hold on. Okay, oh, no I don't. I can just feel it. Oh, God. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm through eating it. Okay. Man, I need to clean up, but my girlfriend's in the other room and I need to hurry up and do this. So I can, you know, go spend time with her or something like that. Oh my gosh, it looks funny. Okay, so there it is. It looks all neat because of that plastic cover on it. And this is not wireless. I wish it was. That'd be awesome. Oh crap, and I'm gonna get so many fingerprints on it. Gosh, fadoodles. I don't even know when is this? I don't. Whatever. It's and this unboxing probably sucks to y'all. But there's that. I don't even know why I bought this really. Maybe just because I could, and maybe I'll use it for some gaming. But I don't really know what I'm gaming on. Like, I know I'm gaming on that. I'm just going like crazy with gaming equipment and hoping that people actually watch these, which I doubt it. But whatever, it'll be fun. And I'll do some PlayStation 3 videos of random crap, and hopefully y'all will watch it. And it'll be like, yeah, Kevin, you're so cool. Go, yeah, Expert Rocker, whatever your name is. Or just... I'm so glad if y'all are watching this. Y'all are awesome. But oh crap, what am I doing? Okay. So thanks for watching. Click there for something that I put, and say bye, Dragon. Bye bye. I don't know much at all. I don't know wrong from right.